Okay. So Sam, who are you? What's your name?
Well, my name is Sam Bazzi.
Yeah.
I've been working here at Advantage Engineering for about a month and a half now, and it's been a great experience. I've learned a lot so far. I've learned about additive manufacturing, modular tooling, 3D, and I'm learning every day. It's been great working with the people here at Advantage. And I'm really happy and looking forward to growing with this company.
Well, that sounded honest, but this is more honest. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
And many more. Fantastic. So, happy birthday. This is from GIna.
Dig in.
She's such a team player, and this is amazing. You guys are the
Thank
best.
you.
I give you hugs, but then I don't know if that's allowed with HR. But good on you. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Happy 18th birthday.